Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to discuss the chapter the noun number. By the end of the video you will be able to understand what are singular and plural nouns and how to make plural nouns from singular nouns. But before proceeding further, let us recall what are nouns. Nouns are naming words. It is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now let us proceed further with our topic, the noun number. There are two types of the noun number, singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea. For example, yak, tiger, pumpkin. And on the other hand, a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea. For example, yaks, tigers, pumpkins, etc. Now we will discuss how to make plural nouns from singular nouns. We have to follow some rules for making plural nouns from singular nouns. Now let us study these rules in detail. Let us begin with rule 1. Rule 1 says most regular nouns add s at the end to make their plural form. For example, chair becomes chairs, pen becomes pens, cup becomes cups, shop becomes shops, friend becomes friends. Now children, here we have added s to all these words to change them into their plural form. Rule 2 says when nouns are ending with sh, ch, z, x, s or ss, then add es at the end to make them plurals. For example, bus, it ends with s, so we will add es at the end. So it changes to buses. His changes to his's, box changes to boxes, brush changes to brushes, and bench changes to benches. Rule 3 says when the nouns end with consonant plus y, they add ies at the end and remove y to make them plurals. For example, baby, it ends with y and has a consonant before it, so we will remove y and add ies, so it becomes babies. City becomes cities, lady becomes ladies, and country becomes countries. Rule 4 says when the nouns are ending with vowel plus y, then add only s to make them plurals. For example, toy, it ends with y and has a vowel before it, so we will only add s, so it becomes toys. Day becomes days, key becomes keys, donkey becomes donkeys. Now let us study rule 5. Rule 5 says when the nouns end with f or fe, add ves at the end in the place of f or fe to make them plurals. For example, knife, it ends with fe, so we will remove fe and add ves at the end, so the answer is knives. Life changes to lives, wolf changes to wolves, and leaf changes to leaves. Rule 6 says nouns that end with consonant plus o, add es at the end to make them plurals. For example, potato, it ends with o and has a consonant before it, so we will add es at the end, so the answer is potatoes. Mosquito changes to mosquitoes, mango changes to mangoes, and tomato changes to tomatoes. Rule 7 says nouns that end with vowel plus o take only s at the end to make them plurals. For example, radio. It ends with O and has a vowel before it. So we will only add S at the end. So it becomes radios. Video becomes videos. Zoo becomes zoos. And stereo becomes stereos. Now the next rule is, there are some nouns that form their plurals by changing the vowels. For example, foot become feet. Here vowel double O is changed to the vowel double E. Man become men. Mouse become mice. Woman become women. Now let us proceed further with rule 9. Rule 9 says, there are some nouns that form their plurals by adding en or ren. For example, child become children, ox become oxen, brother become brethren. Rule 10 says, there are few nouns that remain same for the singular as well as the plural form. For example, sheep. This sheep has no wool on it. We are talking about one sheep, so it is singular. Those sheep have no wool on them. Here we are talking about many sheep, so plural, but the word remains the same. Deer. This deer has long horns. Here we are talking about one deer. Those deer have long horns. Here we are talking about many deer. It remains same in its singular and plural form. Now let us see rule 11. Rule 11 says, there are few nouns that are used always as singular. For example, furniture. The new furniture is on sale. News. This news is quite true. Scenery. The scenery of Kashmir is charming. These are few words that are used always as singular. Rule 12 says, there are few nouns that are used always as plural. For example, cattle. The cattle are grazing. People. The people were running. Trousers. His trousers are dirty. Now these are some words that are used always as plural. Now let's begin with the exercise. In these sentences, change the nouns into their plural form. Make other necessary changes. The child was throwing stone in the pond. Now here we have to change the sentence into plural form. Child become children. Was will become were. Stone will become stones. So the answer is, the children were throwing stones in the pond. A fly is an insect. A fly become flies. Is become are. An insect become insects. So the answer is, flies are insects. A cat chased the mouse away. A cat changes to cats. The mouse changes to the mice. So the answer is, cats chased the mice away. This ox is mine. This changes to those. Ox becomes oxen. Is will become are and mine become ours. So the answer is, those oxen are ours. That girl works hard. That become those. Girl become girls. So the answer is, those girls work hard. I hope you have understood the chapter. I hope you have understood the rules of the noun number. Now Do the related exercises of the chapter from your basic English grammar and composition book 6. Thank you.